Hello foodies, welcome back to Rahman's Kitchen. Today I will show you a sponge cake, which is the basic cake for any kind of cakes you make, which will be very airy and spongy. Here you can have a look how spongy it is. So now we'll start. Here I have taken 4 eggs and 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is approximately 125 grams. In the same quantity, it's 125 grams of powdered sugar, and here I have a half a teaspoon of baking powder and some vanilla essence. So it's with very basic things you have at your home. So let us start the procedure now. So I'll take the eggs and will beat it until it is airy and fluffy. So this will be the most important part of your cake making. When your eggs are very airy and sponge, the cake will be turned into a spongy cake. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon for more updates. So this procedure will take approximately 3 minutes of your time. Once you can see the volume of the eggs has been increased, now you can add some sugar in it. See, you can see how the bubbles have been formed and the volume also has been increased to the double or triple the amount of the eggs we have taken. Now we will add some sugar. And we'll mix it properly. Now here goes some vanilla essence. Now I'm gonna sieve some maida and baking powder into the batter. See, always remember, whenever you are sieving, you should have to do the double sieving, which will give you more airiness in your cake. Now fold the batter. This is called the fold and cut method. Now the batter is completely ready. See to that no lumps should be there. The baking powder and maida should be completely mixed into the egg batter. Now this is a cake tin I have taken here, and I am greasing it with some melted butter. Now I'll dust it with some all-purpose flour. See to that evenly the maida should be spread all over your cake tin. Now I'll add this batter to the tin and we'll tap it to remove some air, and we'll bake it for 180 degrees centigrade for 30 to 40 minutes. See, now I have done. I can check. I'll show you. See how clean it is. So whenever you feel the cake has been baked, you can take it out from the oven. Now I will turn up that into a plate. See, the now cake is ready. I'll just check and I'll show you how clear it is. See how it has been turned into good and spongy. I'll just dust with some cocoa powder and powdered sugar. This is totally optional. I'm just doing it for the look. And also if someone don't want to eat dry cake, they can just sprinkle some powdered sugar or icing sugar and they can have it. So now this is your cake. Enjoy it, make it at home. Thank you.